'Cause I stand beside you through the years. I love you, but you don't know who I am.
Money, I saw you there last night. Another man told you.
See, man, make it happen, sir. That's it. Yes.
So, how can I style it? I read that one.
What?
Can't believe, sir. I bet you will okay, sir. I read that one.
You put their foot.
Yeah?
I my baby daddy to me forced to marry to him and get over you. They not want anything. I mean, I can't get me back again now. You say, me love me and deal with me lover.
Yeah.
Eh?
So where is it? Where is it? I'm glad you're not to do that.
Eh?
Huh?
Eh?
You're going back that, you know.
What's it?
You're going back that, you know.
Oh, you got that?
Me going back that.
No.
Expert! Company blood clot, one expert na make stick yung blood clot. Come here!
Oh my God.
Expert!
Mr. Brian, kiss him now, kiss him.
Kanda come back for him, woman.
Come back to.
Because Sanda Kanda say him spend him money on you. Expert no spend the money on you.
$1,000.
Lie you they tell them for a long time in my mind.
Hello, mistake for $1,000.
I know $1,000. He say enough time send a supermarket and send him go do everything and he go come back for you. So please, me they beg you, go on back to your owner.
No, I me not go back to no
expert of a woman over there saying expert of a woman over there saying well, go call it no go so we go go call expert woman over there so we could have hug him up so till I hold on him like a donkey he still a go lose his work go if you go call him man go call expert woman cause he not go work expert woman yeah me say go call expert woman.
We can't live down in our house comfort everyone. You them
people have video and then give you out of that. You understand?
No, Roger, I remember Roger used to have me prison up, but that day, when we locked down for a long time.
You can't be like page.
No, listen to me now. And I'm me they put it. Say me they put it, me I will fire in a something there. Me I tell that. But the people on my page and nah, give me no money. They take their one money they be out behind me back. But you know what? Me no want you know me no wrong son left can help me out. Twin man. Me at a put out there, put out there. Me no matter where me want come me now, but me they put out there.
Yes,
me notice me no make it in my life. You understand me? I'm not for me. I put the come.
You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never.
Leave you, girl, so just wine for me, girl, wine for me. My girl, just wine for me, girl. Tick.
Yo, just sing FIFA car again, Rose. I want to post who. How can I sound like just sing? But Margo, but.
Yo, leave me alone.
I think Russ McKay straight in. Feel a grass cup at the phone.
So wait there. So wait there. Tell me not care effort with me. So what the problem? What your problem? I love you, but you don't know who I am. I got on my feet. Well, looking at you, I love you. I look in your eyes, I see all I do my best. Oh, you.
Chatting's not gonna ngayon.
Lobster pang mana pa.
Yo, go for you, man. You come like a shibara.
Oil dog, you know.
Yeah, use can my youth.
Expert on rose dog, you know. Rose at DC. Expert on DC. This up oil dog. It dog, oil dog come like a shibara. It dog, so oil dog come like a shibara. Alright, Mama Rose.
Happy. Yo,
Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Rust, a lobster you just consume. Rust bumbo clot.
Yo, she boy expert.
Rust.
The bundle up. The boy, the bundle up on the start.
Expert plate. Over. Fish your hangover, bro, God.
Rose, that's too
Big
much
old
plate up.
stinch.
Rose, you got so much plate, Rose. Rose.
Yeah,
You carry your husband on date.
yes,
You're a good girl, Rose.
yeah,
I am a good girl.
yeah,
And you don't deserve nothing less than this. You deserve more.
yeah.
You should have reached it.
Enough for about people, man. Give me bill. Thank you for
Thank you for
coming to Peppers. Open me bill. Yeah, how much you bill expert? You see money part pan here? You see money part pan here bill?
Enjoy your meal, right?
Yeah, you are nice. Okay.
How much money you have on the bill? How much money you have? How much money you have on the bill?
This guy play my bank account.
When I look in your eyes, I look in your eyes. First word I look in your eyes is true. When I'm looking at you, you're looking at me. But I have heard I love you from my heart. Don't you even break it down. By the way,
Mine?
yes.
X Ford Spence.
And Rose, what is the real deal?
We heard that you guys are now engaged.
Yeah.
Question for you is, when did you two started to date each other, talk to each other? When did the love start?
Clock Tower meet.
You meet from Clock Tower.
Mm-hmm.
Where is Clock Tower?
Okay.
How long have you guys been together?
Last year.
So 1 year now together.
Mm-hmm.
Well, making from Kosovo. When he see me at Kosovo, he went free to dance with me. So when he come again, he said, no, so I'm not afraid again. So I said, alright. He turn up Saga me and he said, come over there, I'm give you a wine. So I go over to him, and I give him a wine. So and the story, he just love me.
So, expert, what you seen her Rose? What qualities you seen her? What you like about her?
Just okay. E-movement something.
She treat you nice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you guys are in love.
Mm-hmm.
Any plans on having any children?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Rose, I know that I heard that you're a singer,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I see where you are sing to expert. I don't know. You can give us a little thing in the day.
Well, look in your eyes. I look in your eyes. Right where I look in your eyes, it's true. But I'm looking at you. You're looking at me.
When are you guys getting married?
The 2nd of November.
Okay,
That's
good.
on my birthday.
Okay, that's nice. In terms of the wedding and the family, your family is involved in the wedding planning and things like that?
No.
What did you guys do during the pandemic?
Yeah, together. Same time.
And no mask up and thing. Perfect. And you take care of Rose. Tell me something about it.
Tonight, but you have somewhere me like it. You tell me left here that be attention to the left here that my back turn saying gone.
Okay. Continue, man, continue.
And sometimes me look for him, me can't find him.
So, expert, why you doing that to Rose?
No, my daddy said me go buy something. So from not because my father sick, prostate cancer, that's why me had the father. But me alone father. So I pay up on my daddy. For my wife, not to business about him.
So, Rose, you can't understand, so that's why I'm gone out on the road. But you want him to tell you.
Yes.
Expert, you can tell her these things here, so she don't
I
worry.
tell her, but she said we gone out with the next one. But I just, she alone.
She are the only one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, it was lovely talking to you guys.
Mm-hmm.
We wish you the best
Yeah.
on your wedding and the best for the future. Okay. All right. You're showing off. You're showing off, man.